Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn a new topic from Social Studies Standard 6 History. So the chapter is second, the earliest societies. In that, in the previous lessons we learned a few topics and now we learn a new topic, discovery of fire. So, the discovery of fire is among the greatest discoveries of man. Fire was probably discovered when two flints were rubbed together by accident and the resultant spark fell on dry leaves nearby, causing a fire. Over time, early men learned to control fire and use it for their benefit. They used the source of light to cook food, to scare away animals, and to keep themselves warm. At Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, archaeologists have discovered a traces of ash which suggests that prehistoric humans were familiar with the use of fire. Archaeologists have gathered crucial evidence of Upper Paleolithic humans living at Bilasargam, Mujtala, and Chintamanu Gavi near Bethamchurla in Karnal district about 17,000 years ago. Traces of fireplaces and the remains of barking deer, four-horned antelope, spotted deer, rhinoceros, and elephants indicate that the area was environmentally rich. The evidence also suggests that it was a habitation site. So next topic is Mesolithic age or the Middle Stone age. So the Paleolithic age came to an the end with the end of Ice Age in around 10,000 BCE. The climate at this time became warm and rainy, and this caused the appearance of newer varieties of fauna and flora. Around 9000 BCE began an intermediate stage which is known as the Mesolithic age. It is occurred between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic or New Stone Age. This age was characterized by the use of microliths or a small stone tools. These tools were sharp and pointed and comprised blades as shown in the picture. So scrapers, arrowheads and spearheads which were tied to a pieces of bones or wood. Such tools have been recovered from a large number of sites in Rajasthan, southern Uttar Pradesh, Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand, and also south of the river Krishna. Mesolithic humans begins live on hunting, fishing, and food gathering. At a later stage, they started domesticating animals like dog, sheep, goat, and cattle. This marked the transition from subsistence to animal husbandry. So the next topic is Neolithic age or the New Stone age. So Neolithic or the New Stone age extended from about 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. It refers to the phase when humans started leading a settled life. They started producing their own food and domesticated animals. The tools become more sophisticated. We will read more about this period in the next chapter. So the Stone Age art. Many of the rock shelter in which these early people lived have paintings on the wall. Some of the best examples are from the Bhimteka caves, Madhya Pradesh. These caves were discovered in 1958 by an Indian archaeologist Dr. V.S. Vakankar. These paintings are stunningly beautiful and superbly crafted. They depict animals and birds. There are no landscape and only a handful of poorly executed depictions of humans. By contrast, the paintings of lions, stags, horses, bulls, etc. are magnificent. We will not be wrong to conclude the most of these birds and animals that figure in these paintings were hunted for the subsistence. These rock paintings date back to a Paleolithic and Mesolithic period. Natural red and white pigments are used to draw these pictures. So this is all about our lesson. Thank you.